How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll explain on how to get unbanned from Grindr. So make sure to watch until the end for the complete process. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Grindr application on your mobile device. And also make sure that you've logged in with your specific account. So you might be banned for several reasons, such as suspicious activities or spamming behaviors that led to multiple reports against your account. In many cases, simply appealing the ban can resolve the issue. However, Grindr may also have blocked your IP address from accessing this server. To bypass this, you can change your IP address, and here's a few methods that you can do that. First of all, you can switch to a different Wi-Fi network. If you don't have another Wi-Fi option, you can also try using your cellular data. If neither of those options works, you can download a VPN application from your App Store or Play Store according to your device. If neither of those options work, connecting to a VPN will change your IP address, which may help you regain access to your account. So after changing the IP address, check if the Grindr app has any updates. If it does, make sure to update it to its latest version. Then open the Grindr application and try logging into your account again. Hopefully, one of the solutions will help you resolve the issue, and if it does, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.